there, my name is Charlotte Fernandez. I'm 41 years old from the Philippines, and I bring over 15 years of rich experience across the digital space. I began my journey in 2010 as a data entry specialist and SEO assistant, and through hard work and continuous growth, I advanced to the role of digital marketing manager by 2012. Throughout my career, I've developed a strong and versatile skill set in search engine optimization, both on-page and off-page, as well as developed my writing and graphic designing skills through managing social media accounts, blog posting, and guest post outreach for a wide variety of brands. I've successfully led digital campaigns and managed websites for both local and international brands, consistently driving measurable growth in traffic, engagement, and lead generation. I've also become highly proficient with a wide range of tools including WordPress, Canva, Go High Level, Showit, and Xero. My experience extends to platforms like Thinkific, as well as project management tools such as ClickUp, Asana, and Trello. I'm also well-versed in communication platforms like Gmail, WhatsApp, Zoom, and Loom, and other administrative tools like Google Docs and Google Sheets. My experience working with a wide variety of brands has taught me the value of confidentiality, consistent communication, and strong attention to detail. I've also learned to adapt quickly to each client's unique needs, stay calm under pressure, and accept constructive criticisms with a positive mindset. But despite my years of experience, I remain open and eager to learn, and I am a fast learner, a self-starter, and definitely a reliable problem solver. I truly believe I'm the right person for this role because I have the skills, dedication, and mindset you are looking for. I'm excited about the possibility of working together and making a meaningful contribution to your team. Thank you so much for your time and consideration.